Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix services not available issue on your TikTok. So guys, if you're facing this issue on your TikTok, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on software update and update your software from here to the latest version. Then go back and now you have to simply open your app store and now search for the TikTok and now download the latest version of TikTok app on your device as well. And after this you have to simply restart your device for one time. So I simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then open settings again and then you have to go to general section and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here and set the time zone as well. And then go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here. And after this go back and now tap on VPN and device management, and from here you have to simply disconnect your VPN if you are connected with any VPN. And after this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then open your TikTok and tap on your profile and then go to settings of your TikTok and then tap on settings and privacy and then go to account. And from here you have to tap on account information. Here you can see this, tap on account information and from here you have to simply tap on account region, and from here you have to select your country or region correctly as well. Here you can see the region, and then go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply contact the TikTok help center and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.